Because to write a journal, what the only thing we need to do is only to have the idea, ladies and gentlemen. Your idea to actually criticize something, your idea to actually develop something. We think all of education people, all people in university are prepared to make journal, ladies and gentlemen. So we think this is good. Even just for information, who actually go for WUDC last, 2 years ago was a guy from Kalimantan. His name was Yudi down there, so do not underestimate him. That's actually he cannot compete compared to all of the things.
First, if Papua people has already faced these kind of things, then why they still being left there?
Because nowadays they haven't made it, ladies and gentlemen. We haven't got into the discuss to actually make the journal, increase the journal at the first place. So I'm going to explain my argument, right? I have 3 major arguments. First, why journal is important in times of work. First of all, ladies and gentlemen, we are facing a global competition. We're gonna face after in 2012. What does that actually tell you? Or now a lot of people from America, people from Asia, for example Malaysia, gonna come here, build a company, gonna make economy in our country, for example, right? What's going to happen if we keep to the status quo? For example, our graduation can only be good in practical level. We only good, for example, making program, for example. We only good for example, being a doctor, for example. But we lack of actually the capability of first problem solving, second responsibility, ladies and gentlemen. Why? First of all, in terms of global economy, ladies and gentlemen, the ideal problem solving is something that actually really matter. What's going to save Indonesia from our economy is on how our future generation can actually be the leader of their own companies, for example, right? Now, how to gonna make this? We need to create we need to create people, students who can actually know how to analyze stuff, who can actually predict what's going on with their society, who can actually do a problem solving. And how do we actually get created? Journal create that, ladies and gentlemen, because journal actually testify you with what kind of theory do you have? How do you prove that? How do you solve the problem that happen in our status quo? We think that this is really important to enhance our competitiveness in the economy itself. Second, about the responsibility, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of people in the world look down towards Indonesia because they feel that actually our education is not that good. Why? We need to change that paradigm, ladies and gentlemen. Our education is as good, is even better than what Malaysia have in here, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Because they see that actually right now in our education there's a lot of plagiarism. There's a lot of, for example, only to graduate in Indonesia is really easy, because you just need to pass university test. This kind of paradigm happens in international level. We need to change. When we are going to make a journal, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be nationally accredited and nationally published. So actually we can see that the real potential that we have. Now coming to the second argument. What is actually the problem we have right now in our education? Objectivity. First of all, the problem of plagiarism. Plagiarism is an insult to education. What's going to happen with our status quo right now? A lot of scripts, a lot of thesis, for example, come into plagiarism because there is no check and balance at the national level. There is no check and balance from the editorial itself. We are going to solve this by our mechanism, ladies and gentlemen. Simply by punishing the student is not enough because we cannot even check what, for example, people in Papua make and what, for example, people in Kalimantan make. Sometimes maybe they can steal each other's idea, but there are no actually mechanism to actually take counter that. Only with journal we can see that because it will be published nationally, ladies and gentlemen. Now, second of all, also the kind of objectivity. On how we only graduate, but our lecture, give grades to our scripts. And we think that this is not going to be really hard, but in some cases it's going to be easy. Why? Because the objectivity is something that when you are graduate, the objectivity with questioning you, ladies and gentlemen, but it's only our professor who graded. But with graded nationally, the objectivity is going to be better, ladies and gentlemen. Even this will be useful to preferences towards the letter, educational. The letter NGO, for example, public government can use this also. Even, ladies and gentlemen, in the future. Also, for example, the issue is going to be more various than what happened right now, and we think that actually this is important. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to save Indonesia, don't be lazy, don't think this is too hard to do, ladies and gentlemen. Woo!